Dreaming of a coastal escape right at home? Join us as we share the ultimate tips for creating a stunning beach-inspired interior that will make your space feel like a luxury resort. Stay tuned for a wave of inspiration. We can say that this design style captures the relaxed and serene atmosphere of the seaside, characterized by a harmonious blend of light, airy spaces, and natural elements. Now let's check the top 8 design tips to bring this style to life. Create a relaxed atmosphere with statement furniture that promotes lounging, like a hanging chair or low pouf, and opt for wood or stone finishes. For a tranquil environment, stick to muted hues like white, pale blues, browns, and cool grays, with occasional pops of color. White shiplap adds a beachy and cottage feel, making rooms appear larger with vertical or horizontal panels. Try to introduce natural coastal elements. Instead of common nautical motifs, use driftwood or dried coral for sophisticated coastal decor. If you're loving these tips and ready to bring the beach style into your home, subscribe now and never miss out on all of the latest interior design trends and tips. Don't be scared to opt for rough textures. Pair smooth surfaces like stone with raw textures like sisal rugs and wicker pendants to mimic a rugged seascape. Use ceramic tiles, stone slabs, or wood flooring to keep the space cool and breezy, with rougher rugs for added texture. Abstract art captures the essence of waves and wind, making it a perfect fit for beach-inspired designs. Beach interior design is all about embracing all things white. Layer various shades of white with minimal patterns to achieve a bright, beachy look. Love the tranquility of beach interior design? Click the link in the description for more details on how to give your home a resort-worthy vibe, and remember to subscribe for more exciting interior design videos. Until next time.